Good morning, everybody. I look like crap. Yes, but it is currently 7:50. I woke up maybe about 20 minutes ago. I had to take a melatonin last night because I've been having a hard time falling asleep. I only take one. One helps me. So I took a melatonin so I could actually fall asleep. Charlotte says hello. Yes. So I'm in this group. When Ben was born, they had this thing where you'd go once a week to, you know, learn about having a newborn, and there was a big group of us, like a group of us that actually became friends, and, you know, we always went out and hung out together. We had, like, you know, we don't do stuff as much anymore, but we still, you know, keep in contact and all that stuff. But now we're in this Facebook group where we, you know, if we have a personal question to ask, you know, it basically we help each other that we don't want, like, you know, other people to know about, or, you know, just personal questions, you know, about children and everything. But I asked the people in the group, I said, odd question, but has anybody seen the color changing cups at Costco? Now, there's 2 Costco's in my area, and one of the moms says, yes, there's one on the other side of town. And I'm like, I want to go there today. She said she saw them there last week. The odds of them selling out could be hard. It's hard to say, but most people would just buy 1 pack. I want to buy like 2 or 3 packs. But I'm going there today. So I really want to go there. And then I'm trying to figure out what else I could go over there for. We will see. I do want to go to Michael's because they have some shelving, or they have some storage things that are $3.99 on sale. I need to make a couple t-shirts, so I want to get some t-shirts while I'm there too. But that is what I'm going to do today. I'm pretty excited. Grandma will be like, why? And I'm like, well, you know, it's my one day I get out of the house and I'm taking the kids with me. So I'm pretty excited to go to Costco, you guys. I'm trying to figure out, we need milk, so I'll definitely get milk at Costco.
If you blame me on getting stuff, a lot of stuff.
Oh, okay. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna start packing up the cups that I already made. I didn't show you guys the cups, did I? No, I didn't. I did mail one out yesterday. I did show you guys briefly what that one looked like. But let me show you guys the people's cups. So I had Jenny. She wanted a yellow cup. And then I'm sorry I cannot pronounce this name, but this is for a Jennifer, but I cannot pronounce. Christabel's? I don't know, but she wanted a Disney cup. Now I can do Disney stuff, but I had to keep it down low because of copyright issues and everything, but I can do Disney stuff. And then I had somebody who wanted me to do a quote in Spanish, but, or not Spanish. Is it Spanish? Yeah? Yeah. I don't even know, but I know it's a quote for, I think it's Enrique Iglesias. And then she wanted me to do another quote. This is one I was having a hard time with, but I got it figured out. And then we talked about doing something like this. So that is awesome. And then another person wanted a Louis Vuitton. This was really hard to do, but I like it. Husband really liked it. But again, I have to keep it on the down low because of copyright issues. And then my Grim's coworker wanted me to make her a cup. I'm not a big fan of this. I think I'm going to add some little Mickeys to it. But she's like a huge Mickey fan. I've already wasted like a whole sheet of vinyl for doing this. But I'm going to probably add some little Mickeys and then send that to her. So those are all the cups that I got going. I showed you guys last night's cup that I'm almost done with that. And then I'm going to start working on another one. I have to go outside and spray paint, but I have to do that when I'm dressed. But I'm pretty excited for that. But otherwise, I'm excited for the day. My hair looks like crap, but that's okay. That's okay. So I will catch you guys back. Hey, you guys. So I decided to wear some makeup today. I don't have any foundation or any concealer on, but I just put like kind of the rest on. Yeah. So we are going to the other side of town right now, because I found out that they have some cups that I want to get, and then I need to get milk really badly because we go through gallons of milk like 3 times a week. And then I have an order to pick up at Michael's because they have some storage units that I want to get for my vinyl and scrapbook paper and all that stuff. Graham, I'm not backing up this time, so you can't laugh at me.
What?
I'm not backing up this time, so you can't laugh at me. He just laughs at me because I'm vlogging in the van. But I will see you guys when we get there. Oh, another thing I'm also doing is I have 2 pairs of shoes that I love these shoes. I wore these when I was pregnant with Ben, but I haven't worn them in forever. So DSW has it where if you give them 2 pairs of shoes, you get $10 back in rewards points. Well, I already have $20 already. And like, why not just give them some shoes that I won't wear again? I mean, I probably will, but not anytime soon. So, and those are shoes I haven't worn at least in 2 years. So that is what I'm gonna do, is go to DSW because it's right next to Michael's and donate some shoes and get some points for some free pairs of shoes in the future. But I will get you guys so back in 1:25 and I just picked up my order at Michael's. Now, if you guys order stuff at Michael's and you know what you want, go online and buy it. Like, what I do is I use my Flu's app. I purchase the in-store gift card, and then I go to one of the top, one of the websites that give you cash back, like like Rakuten, Top Cashback, and Be Frugal. Well, Michael's, or Top Cashback gives me 5%, and then Rakuten gives me like, I think 1 or 2%. So what I do is I go to Top Cashback, I click it, I get everything in my cart, and then what I do is I buy an instant gift card from Flu. So I'm like getting money back. Plus online I get 20% off my items. So I saved myself like $4 just by buying this stuff online. And then I probably saved maybe like $1 or $2 just by using the Flu's app and the Top Cashback site. So now we're going to, what's the matter? Now we're going to go to Costco and get the kids, or I'm gonna get my cups and then I have to get milk, and then we're heading home. We're not gonna really do very much, but I'll catch you guys back in a bit. Okay, it is 2 o'clock on the dot. Went to Costco, looked everywhere, didn't find them. The person said they had them, and nope, no luck. So I'm still on a hunt to find them, but whatever. It was nice to just get out of the house. So now it's 2 o'clock. We're gonna head home and just chill. I'm gonna work on my cup and let's get some stuff done. Hello, everybody. Charlotte just woke up from a late nap. She fell asleep when we were coming home, and then like about an hour ago she got super cranky. So it is now 6:36 and she's waking up from a long short nap, but that's okay. She loves looking at herself. Yes, you do. So you guys, I'm so sick of watching the news. Between the coronaviruses and the protests, I have a feeling something bad's gonna happen downtown today in our area because a kid got arrested. And there's two sides to every story. But I just have a feeling something bad's gonna happen tonight, and people are gonna be breaking the windows and all this stuff again. I mean, pretty much all of downtown is all boarded up, but we will see what happens. Paris won't stop crying, but I'm just sick of watching the news. It's like I need to just delete the news and all this crap because it just is nonstop. Paris, wait. It's not time yet. So Ben was talking to Grandma and Grandpa through video chat, and then he ended up talking to another friend, and then I says, okay, I need to charge my phone. And then another friend called him, so he's just been video chatting with people all day. It's been raining off and on for the last like 2 or 3 hours. So yeah, I didn't get a chance to do the jeweled cup today because we just went out and about, but I'll work on it tomorrow. And then Thursday we have our dentist appointments, which I gotta fill out a coronavirus survey that they sent me. It's kind of weird, but yeah, it's just one of those crazy days. My place is a mess, but you know what, that's okay because I'm happy the way it is. So Benjamin left the door open. But yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Charlotte already ate dinner right before she took a nap. I like fed her dinner. Ben I gotta feed him, and then I'm thinking of having some grilled cheese sandwiches because I'm just hungry right now. But so I'm going to make myself something to eat and then constantly pick up again. we had markers and stuff like out, and the kids constantly dig it out, so I put it away. It's good. It's gone for a while. Ben dug all the chairs out. I'm gonna put all those away. What's wrong? What's wrong? Hi. Can you say hi? Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna eat something and we'll catch you guys back in a little bit. I mean, my place isn't that bad. It's not. It's actually been pretty clean a lot lately. It's just little things here and there. So I'm gonna pick up and I'll catch you guys back when I'm done. Hello, you guys. The time is currently 10:08. Yes, I'm getting Miss Charlotte ready for bed since she took her late nap, which is totally fine. I'm just stressed out right now. Just stressed out with this place being a mess. I pick up, can't even tell I look like crap. But that's what I'm gonna do right now is upload this video, and I'm cleaning tomorrow. And tomorrow I'll be cleaning all day. Nope. But I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Charlotte, can you say goodbye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you later. Bye.